Welcome! Today I'm part of me Motorola Moto E40 and I will show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's just unlock the device. Let's open once again the Muviz application. After that, we can see we have selected this theme. For example, let's use another one. For example, this theme. We should click here to apply. We can change here also the backgrounds of this theme. For example, let's use this one. We can change also the music controls in music player, so we can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can turn off or turn on to show the incoming notifications from different applications. Also we can turn on and turn off the date on the lock screen and to show battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it. Let's go just here back and tap to the X icon, then switch AD to the settings and go to the always on display section. After that we can see here that we can change always on display on lock screen time to show it always while device charging, or when we play the music we can use these two features together, or also we can use them separately. I'll just stay with the always here. If you want to change also the screen timeout, you can do it by this way. Just hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this by dot, so we can switch it from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level to 100%, and we can turn off the AOD with double or single tap to the lock screen. And if you wanna just close it with the fingerprint, that's not a problem. Just tap once on the switcher to activate this feature. And if you wanna set the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode, you can also use it by just this way, just by click on the switcher. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.